Assalamu alaikum. This is Deanna with Lessons from the Gulf, where I share ways to help children understand the Quran through meaningful hands-on learning. Many children learn Surat Al-Faatiha from a young age, and they memorize it very well, but often they don't understand the meaning behind the words they are reciting every day. And because Surat Al-Faatiha is recited in every salah, helping children understand it can make a big difference in how they connect to their prayer. So today I wanted to share a simple way to help children understand Surat Al-Faatiha beyond memorization. When children understand what they are saying, the surah becomes more meaningful. They are not just repeating words, they begin to understand that they are speaking to Allah, and that changes the way they engage with the surah. Instead of teaching the surah all at once, I like to break it into smaller parts. For example, who is Allah? What are we asking Allah for? And what does it mean to guide us to the straight path? When children focus on one idea at a time, it becomes much easier for them to understand. For example, here we focus on one part of the meaning. When children open and explore each section like this, they are interacting with the surah rather than just listening, and that helps them remember it. Another helpful step is learning a few key vocabulary words. Even just a few key words can help children understand what they are reciting in the salah. When they recognize those words, the surah begins to feel more familiar and meaningful. What I've noticed over time is that when we slow down like this, children remember the meaning, they remember what they are asking Allah for, and they begin to connect to the surah in a much deeper way. I also like to ask simple, reflective questions. For example, what does it mean to be guided? What is the Surat Al-Mustaqim? Questions about guidance. These small questions help children think about the meaning and not just the words. This is one of the reasons I created the Surat Al-Faatiha lap book. It helps guide children to step by step through the meaning, vocabulary, and lessons of the surah in a way that is simple and engaging. And I've made this lap book available as a free download. If you'd like to explore Surat Al-Faatiha with your children in this way, you can download it using the link in the description box below. May Allah place barakah in our efforts and allow our children to grow deeply connected to His book. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.